you are doing good and safe at home. Welcome back to our English class. Let's start our English class with a word of the day. Okay? Usually we are learning a word and its meaning, right? Last 3 classes we have learned 3 new words. Do you remember that? First one, shall we recall once? Yes. First one, say louder. Very good. QPS, right? QPS. The next, dawdle, right? Spell the word dawdle. D-A-W-D-L-E, right? Then third one, recently what did you learn? Very good. Abdicate. Okay? Abdicate. Do you know its meaning? What is the meaning of QPS? QPS means abundant, many. Am I right? Yes, numerous. Okay. Then dawdle. What is the meaning of dawdle? Very good. Waste of time or else be slow. Okay. Then abdicate. What is the meaning of abdicate? Resign, quit or give up. Okay. Very good. You remember, right? Super. Now let's learn a new word. Okay. Have you heard this word? Can you spell it? A-B-R-U-P-T. Read this word. Abrupt. Say louder. Abrupt. Okay? Abrupt. Do you know its meaning? What is the meaning of abrupt? Sudden or unexpected. Okay? Sudden or unexpected. That is abrupt. Okay? Abrupt means sudden or unexpected. Say louder. Sudden or unexpected. Okay, don't forget. What is the word of the day? Abrupt. Okay? Abrupt. What is the meaning? Sudden or unexpected. Okay, I will ask this question in Zoom interactive session. Okay? So please keep in mind this. Abrupt, what is the meaning? Sudden or unexpected. Okay, let's see one example. I was surprised by the abrupt arrival of my grandma. Did you understand this? I was surprised by the abrupt means sudden arrival of my grandma. Okay, I was surprised by the abrupt arrival of my grandma. Did you understand? Abrupt means sudden or unexpected arrival of my grandma. Got it? What is the word? Abrupt, which means sudden or unexpected. Okay. I was surprised by the abrupt arrival of my grandma. Got it? Shall we recall all the words once? QPS, dawdle, abdicate, abrupt. Okay, 4 words. Do you remember that? Yes. Dear students, as usual, you should make 5 sentences by using this word. Abrupt, sudden or unexpected. Okay, write 5 sentences, take a snap and send it to me. Now, let's jump into our lesson. What lesson we are learning? Do you remember? What is the title of our lesson? Very good. What strange creatures? Okay, say again. What strange creatures? In this lesson, we are learning about some strange creatures in this world. Am I right? Which we haven't seen or we haven't heard. Right? That strange creatures. That we have learned 4 creatures. Do you remember that names? First one, pacu fish, blowfish. Then next one, panta ant. Then kakapo. Do you remember about these things? Yes or no? Okay, pacu fish. It's similar to something, right? Do you remember what is that? These pacu fish are similar to, From India? No. Then, very good. South America. Okay. In South America, we can find this. Okay. Then, what is the peculiar thing or the special thing of this Pacu fish? Which fish have a large set of teeth which resemble human being? Very good. Pacu fish. Okay. That's why this fish is peculiar. Okay. Because of that, this fish is peculiar. Okay. The Pacu fish, they have some large set of teeth that resemble human being. Okay. That is why they are peculiar. Got it? Okay. Then we have learned about blobfish, right? Okay. What is the speciality of this fish? Blobfish, they have some jelly-like flesh, right? They are weightless. Okay, are they heavy or weightless? Weightless. So that they can float on that water, right? Yes, we can see this in deep waters, right? In Australia. Do you remember that? Yes. Okay. Then we have learned about two strange creatures, right? What is the name of that creatures? One is the panda ant, then another one is the kakapo. Okay? First one, the panda ant, right? They are wingful or wingless? Do you remember? Very good. They are wingless. Okay? They don't have wing. Okay? They are wingless wasps, right? Yes. Where do we find panda ant? Yes, we found these things in Chile. Okay, Chile. Then, why we are calling this like panda ant? Yes, because they resemble panda's color. Okay, black and white color. That's why we call this like panda ant. Okay, what is the speciality of this panda ant? Very good. They are known for its painful sting. Okay, painful sting. Got it? Yes. Then we have learned a bird, right? The kakapo, right? What is the other name for this bird? Owl parrot. Very good. Owl parrot. Because it resembles owl and parrot. Okay, owl and parrot. So we call this owl parrot. Okay, where do we find this? Very good. We found this in New Zealand. Okay, New Zealand. Then what did you learn about this? They are flightless bird. Okay, they are unable to fly. Okay, they are flightless bird. Then what did you learn? Yes, they are nocturnal. Okay, what is the meaning nocturnal? Stay awake at night. Okay, they are night bird. Then they are extinct. Okay, in this world they are almost extinct. Only we can see in 3 islands. Right? These are the things we have learned in our previous class. Now, let's move on to our next part. Okay, today in this class we are going to learn another 2 strange creatures. Okay, are you ready to listen? Yes or no? Yes. Shall we start? Yes. Before getting to our class, let's read the text. Take your book, open it, page number 45. Have you all taken? Page number 45. Take your pencil. Take your pencil also. Listen carefully, okay? I will play the audio. Listen carefully, then underline the hard words. Got it? Yes. First one, look at this picture. Have you seen this before? No? Have you heard about this before? No? What is the name of this plant? This is a plant, okay? What is the name of this plant? No idea. Say, the name of this plant is pitcher plant. Okay? This is a strange creature. a large jug. Okay, that is pitcher. Pitcher means a large jug. Jug, do you know? Yes. Okay. So we are going to learn about this creature. Okay, the pitcher plant. Got it? See, the pitcher plant is a carnivorous plant. Okay, carnivorous. Do you know? What is the meaning carnivorous? Meat eating. Okay, meat eating. They eat other animals. Okay, meat eating plant. Okay, this pitcher plant is a carnivorous plant. Got it? Then this is considered as world's largest meat eating plant. Okay, this is the world's largest meat eating plant. Okay, which is world's largest meat eating plant? Very good. Pitcher plant. Okay, the pitcher plant. Got it? Then it can eat even rats. Okay, I already told it is a carnivorous, so it can eat even rats. Okay, a plant can eat a rat. Right? Yes. Then it got its name because of its appearance. I already told pitcher means a jug, right? Yes, because of its appearance like a jug, it got its name like this. Okay, pitcher. The pitcher plant. Okay, have you got it clear now? Yes. The pitcher plant, they are carnivorous. Carnivorous means meat eating. Okay, meat eating plants. Then they are considered like world's largest meat eating plant. Okay, which is the world's largest meat eating plant? The pitcher plant. Okay, then it can eat even rats. Okay, then it got its name because of its appearance like a jug. Okay, that's why it got the name like this, pitcher plant. Got it clear now? Once again, the pitcher plant, it's a carnivorous plant. Carnivorous means meat eating plant. Then they are considered as world's largest meat eating plant. Okay, then it can eat even rats. Okay, it got its name because of its appearance. Did you understand? Yes. Now let's move on to next creature. Okay, look at this plant. Have you seen this before? Have you heard about this before? No idea? Okay, the name of this plant is dancing plant. Do you like dancing? Yes, right? Yes. Have you seen dancing plant? Dancing trees? Yes or no? Yes, right? Because of air, the trees and plants will dance, right? Yes. But this is different, okay? The name of this plant is the dancing plant. Okay? The dancing plant. We can find this plants in Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, China and Malaysia. Okay, in our country also we can see this plant. Okay, the dancing plant. Got it? We can find this in Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, China and Malaysia. Okay, then this plant have small leaves. Okay, these plants have small leaves. Got it? The leaves are very small and they bear small purple flowers. Okay, this plant bears small purple color. Do you know purple? Yes, a purple the name like this. The dancing plant. Actually it doesn't dance, but they want to receive sunlight, so they move at a rapid speed. That's why we are calling this like dancing plant. Got it? Yes or no? We can find this in Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, China and Malaysia. Okay? So the leaves of the plant is very small in size. Okay? They bear small purple flowers. Okay? Then the leaves, the small leaves move in a rapid speed to receive sunlight. So that we call this like dancing plant. Did you understand? Do you remember we have learned today? We have learned two new creatures, right? What are they? The pitcher plant, then another one, the dancing plant. Okay? Pitcher plant. What did you learn about pitcher plant? What is the meaning of pitcher? A large jug. Okay? This pitcher plant is a carnivorous plant. Carnivorous means meat eating. Okay? Then it is considered as a world's largest meat eating plant. Right? Then it can eat even rats. It means very good. The pitcher plant. Okay, the pitcher plant can eat even rats. Then they got its name because of its jug. Okay, because of its jug appearance. Okay, because the pitcher plant is look like a jug, so that it got the name like this. Okay, the pitcher plant. Got it? Then we have learned about dancing plant. We can find this plant in Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, China and Malaysia. Okay? Then the leaves of this plant is small. Okay? Then they bear small purple flowers. Okay? Then the leaves move at a rapid speed to receive sunlight, so that it got the name like this, the dancing plant. Okay? Did you understand? Dear students, hope you understand this. Read the text again, underline the hard words, then replay the audio, then verify those words. Okay? You have to learn all the meanings. Okay? We have completed the lesson today, so you can just try to write the book back question answer. Okay? Try to write this. I will send the answers later. Okay? You have to note down all the notes in your notebook and study well. Got it? Okay.
The rare pitcher plant is a carnivorous plant. It is believed to be the world's largest meat-eating plant. It can even eat rats. It is named the pitcher plant because of its appearance. The dancing plant, which is found in Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, China and Malaysia, has small leaves and bears small purple flowers. The leaves of the plant move at a rapid speed to receive sunlight. It is this movement that it gets its name from. Scientists keep discovering new creatures every day. What have you learnt about today?
Let's make